Alrighty folks, once again, this is your boy DC the Realtor, still in Perris, California with part 2 of our presentation here in Perris. And like I mentioned, there's 3 different plans with 2 different models each, okay? So we're gonna be looking at just one of this particular plan here. Like I mentioned before, it's just in the background, right there. And this bad boy is, alrighty folks, again, so this one is a 5-bedroom. Could be 5 to 7 bedrooms, 4 to 5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and it's going for it's roughly 3,379 square feet, right? And the base price, folks, is $683, starting at $683, folks. Let's make our way in. All right, very scenic. As you can see, there's a nice sized bay window right at the entrance, and there's even a modest front porch or patio. All right, let's go on in. As we make our way into this very spacious home, again, this is 3,300 square feet, folks. What do we see here? Off in the distance, of course, that's our living area and our open concept. And as we walk in, there's a formal dining room. Okay? So you got 1, 2, 3, you got 8 chairs there at that table. So this formal dining room is very spacious. All right, another view of our formal dining room. And off to the left here of our formal dining room, before we get to our open concept and our living area, we have a full bath, which is adjacent to, our guest suite. Here she is, our guest suite, folks. First floor guest suite. And here's another view of our guest suite. Now we're gonna make our way out to our living area, kitchen, open concept, etc. And here she is, folks. Spacious. So to the left here is our stairwell to the 2nd level. And let's go right for the money shot, folks. Let's get the money shot of the gourmet kitchen. Look at that. Alrighty then. And to the right of the gourmet kitchen, there is an entryway to the formal dining area. And of course, straight ahead, we have our pantry. And as we exit our pantry, to the left of it is bedroom and a bathroom. There's some storage here. There's our full bath. We can call this a walk-in closet if I can fit in here, folks. As I can fit, it qualifies. Here's another view of our bedroom area in this suite here. And as we exit, another shot of the beautiful open concept that they situated here. Right, once again, we're in Perris, California. This is a 3,300 square foot home. Let's make our way to now the dining area, the breakfast nook. We have a formal dining room to the rear of me. And this is our breakfast nook. And to the right of it is an area that you can use for an office space. Very generously spaced. Nice window, nice sized window in it. And yet more storage, even more storage, folks. And as we exit here, no better time than to give you the money shot of the living area, folks. Look at that. Look at that. And adjacent to our living area is a beautiful view of our backyard. And as you can see, the backyard is very spacious as well. And as I give you yet another view of this beautifully conceived open concept, I want to remind you folks, this is very reasonably priced at starting from $683K, folks. 3,300 square feet. Alrighty then. 5 to 7 bedrooms, 4 to 5 baths, 3-car garage. Talk about getting your money's worth. And here we go. As we go up the stairs, I'd like to remind you folks who I am. I'm DC the Realtor. I've been operating with my real estate license since 2012. My brokerage is Century 21 King. We are on Day Creek Boulevard in Rancho Cucamonga. And as we come up to the top of the stairs here, we have a number of directions we can take. I'm being drawn to the ample loft here, folks. And as much as I'm being drawn to that loft, I'm going to resist. So I can come back and give you the money shot. And we're going to take it to the left here, where we have, to the right here, where we have another full bath. And then to the right of it, we have yet another bedroom, folks. Let's make our way out of this bedroom, like I mentioned. So now we can get a money shot of this ample loft. And I must say, when I say ample, that is an understatement. This is one of the largest, most ample lofts I have seen in and out of 40 some odd homes throughout the Inland Empire. All right, very ample. All right, let's make our way on to the other bedrooms. And we're gonna stay to our right. And as we do so, we come up on yet another bedroom. And you folks notice I never mention what bedroom it is, because I always lose count. But one thing I can tell you folks is this is not the master. And yet, look what we have here. We have a walk-in. We have a separate sink. We have a tub and shower. We have another sink. And then we have, it is a Jack and Jill type setup, or a dual setup, leading us to the other bedroom. Look at that. So as we make our way out, here's our laundry room. And as usual, folks, I need to point out that most new builds do not come with washers and dryers, but in some cases, the builder is willing to negotiate them into your deal. Call me to inquire as to what those circumstances might be that might motivate the seller to do so. And as you ponder that, here we are. Last but certainly not least, the master bedroom. Also very ample as well. Alrighty then, that absolutely is a king size bed, folks. And on either side of it, there are nightstands that are very generously sized, and there's still space in between the nightstand here. See that? Very ample this bedroom is. All right then, yet another view. Yet another view. We're talking about 4, 5, maybe 6 feet between the edge of this bed and that dresser there. They have room for a trunk in the front of the bed as well. A chair here. Look at this. Look at this. Huge bay window. All right then. As we make our way from the bay window to our master bath, folks, look what we have here. So to the left is your restroom area. And straight ahead we have our dual sinks. We have our spa shower. We have, no doubt, some storage here. There's another view of our bathroom. Dual sinks and shower. And what do you got here? We got us a walk-in closet, folks. And when I say walk-in, I mean walk in. I mean walk in, turn around, pivot. Look at all the space in this closet. This is well worth the asking price, folks. I've been in and out of tons of homes like this throughout the Inland Empire. This is one of the most spacious as far as the price, which again I said was $683, I believe. 3,000 square feet, ample master bedroom, right? Again, ample loft area, And when I say ample, I mean, I'm not kidding. Okay? Let's exit, folks. DC the Realtor is on TikTok at dc.the.realtor. DC the Realtor is also on Instagram at DCW the Realtor. And as we exit, as always, one more money shot of the entire open concept. Look what we have here, folks. Absolutely stunning. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. All right then. And please call the number below. I'd love to bring you here, take you on a tour, sit you down with the builder, and let's figure out what your options are going to be as far as getting you into this place. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here to do. That's the goal of this video, to get you in here, okay? And I have the resources to do so. One last view of the home as we exit, and once again, this is a 3,300 square foot home roughly, right? 5 to 7 bedrooms, 4 to 5 bathrooms, 3-car tandem garage, starting with a base price of $683, folks. All right then, so we're gonna make our way over to the next model. All right then, but if you can't watch or you can't take anymore, do me a favor, just like, subscribe. If not, see me at the next model in the next video. Take care, God bless.